In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate PDF file to different language, and you are able to uh, change and translate lots of language. So first, you need to doing open Google Drive. So I open now my Google Drive. Then click on this plus icon. Then file uploaded. Okay. Now you need to open this file right now on your computer. Now you need to click on, you can see this is a newspaper. So now click on open with Google Doc. Wow, it's already okay. Now the final task. So now click on tongue tools, then translate document, then choose your targeted mm, language. For purpose I choose a Hindi language. Hindi. Now click on translate. Wow, you can see it's already translated. Now you need to click on file, then click on download and as a PDF file. That's it. Your work are completed. This is a PDF file. So this is a super easy method. You can translate your PDF file to different language. It's 100% free of cost. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe to the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.